Hey everybody. Okay, so first of all, I wanted to make this video to thank you guys for the over 100 views on Wizard of Oz. Thank you. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. One of my videos is also almost to 100. It's like 70 or 80 views. It's, yep, very random. It's me, Jen's cousin Steph, and Ronnie, playing a game on the trampoline. So tell your friends about that video, and we'll get us to 100 views. And this video is to entertain you guys. Me and Ron kind of stuck on videos, but we do have one thing in mind, but it's a surprise, so we'll see what it's up. And so this video is just to entertain you guys, and it's basically about the fact that, have you ever had like a time that something that you or your friends did that is just so funny and like you wish you got it on tape, like you wish you recorded it. One of my videos is kind of already like that, and it's behind the scenes, but I wanted to make another one because we just like have the weirdest things that we look back on and we didn't even realize it was on the camera until now. So yeah, enjoy.
Shoot, witch! Boss!
Your mother.
Your mother. What?
My booty!
Spank it. Spank that ass.
I'm sorry. He's just like so serious and I went, ah. Look at all the trick-or-treaters!
Booty.
My milkshake brings a voice to the out and they're like, it's better than yours, it's better than yours, I can teach you, but I have to charge you, it's better than, it's better, ow! My boy's out there, Harry! Oh my gosh, it's on the floor.
I'm a bad mama jammer.
Oh. Shoot, witch! Oh yeah. The bottom cheek was in my face.
Stand and leave some comments.
Sorry. I just burped. That was manly.
Good.